Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, this video is for beginner. So how to use the Dixell thermostat. You can see this is on off key and down arrow key and this is up key. This is for light option. This is for defrost, manual defrost. And this is set key, temperature setting. How to set the temperature? You need to press the set, and once the C is indicating, then you can change the set point. How? Like if you press the set key, so the C start indicating, you can change the temperature setting. So this is now 3 degree. So with down arrow key you need to press till 2 degree and set the temperature. This is temperature has been set to 2 degree, and this is for manual defrost, will show you. And this is on off key. By this key you can switch off the controller. Can see now the controller is off. Again press and then again it will switch on. And this how to lock the controller. By up and down arrow key you can lock the controller. Press together, go back. Once you press together both key, so it will get locked. Then you cannot enter to the programming mode. By up and down arrow key you can release the lock also. And this is manual defrost. By pressing long press this key, you will go and defrost. Long press, so it's supposed to go in defrost. If it is not going in defrost, it's mean the probe 2 temperature is already reached. So this why it's not going in defrost. By long pressing, so it is not going in defrost because it's not fixed in the system. The defrost temperature has been already reached. This why not going in defrost. So this is manual defrost. So this how you can use the thermostat, Dixell thermostat basic. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You will get electrical air conditioning and refrigeration video from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.